A lot of New Mexico is underwater tonight. The heavy rain causing major issues across the state from Rio Arriba to Chavez, Eddy, and Grant counties. Let's get to News 13's Stephanie Chavez.
School is canceled in Cliff, and a lot of people are unable to get from Cliff to Silver City for essential supplies. That's because a main bridge connecting the two has been washed out.
We have had it full in other areas. This is actually a little arroyo that feeds off of an artery of the river. So it was Mother Nature doing its best.
Given to us from Jay Hemphill in Silver City. You can see the river is so high the trees look more like bushes peeking up over the water. And this video shows the runoff from the Gila rushing into Duck Creek. It's these raging waters that caused the bridge on Highway 180 near Greenwood to cave in a little bit. Amy Evans with NMDOT says the bridge is structurally sound, but runoff from the Gila washed out the road connecting either side of the bridge. Evans says DOT crews are working to get it repaired as quickly as possible. School will be canceled until those repairs are complete.
We have students who live in a really nice area that's spread out geographically that travel in on bus to Cliff. With that bridge closed, several of our buses couldn't get across it.
Superintendent William Hawkins says they're hopeful the bridge will be repaired by Monday and school will be back in session, but they are prepared to go remote if necessary. Back to you.